We had our soft opening last Friday, October 3 of 2025, and we will officially open our doors to every patient starting October 11 of 2025. Cancer na sakit na meron ang mga tao, hindi lang po dito sa Naga, but all over Bicol region, we could accommodate, and our doctors would always be here to give the treatment for all of the patients, those who are in need of a chemotherapy session. Yes po, we just need to comply with the requirements needed with our city health office here in Naga. We also need our IDs, of course, and the necessary documents for it to be free, especially for the residents of Naga. As long as they would cooperate and coordinate with the local governments kung saan sila nakatira, the local government of their cities would just need to coordinate it with the local government of Naga. And then from there, all the documentations will be given by our center. In regards with the treatment plan, it would depend kung gaano nila kailangan, gaano kadalas nila kailangan. Our doctors, especially the oncologist na mag-duty, he or she would give us the timeline and the things that we need to do, the procedures that we need to do, para ma-explain din doon sa pasyente natin kung gaano ba katagal yung gamutan, gaano ba kadalas nila kailangan gawin. For the diagnosis, there is a minimal payment or fees that would apply. But we are accredited by the DOH, so PhilHealth will also be covered. No, and in regards with your questions po, in regards with the free chemotherapy session, as long as yung mga pasyente po outside Naga would just coordinate it with their local governments. For example, sa local government ng Tinambak, the local government of Tinambak would just need to coordinate it with the local government of Naga. Of course, kung meron na silang doctors, they just also need to inform their specific doctor. No? Kasi syempre, ayaw rin naman natin na magkaroon ng bypassing when it comes to sessions. Kasi we're here to help patients. Ayaw naman natin na kumbaga parang isipin ng mga tao na it's just business. Of course, we are here to help people. Nandito kami para makipagtulungan sa ating local government. And ayun po, kailangan lang nila mag-coordinate. And of course, ipaalam din na, for example, gusto nilang lumipat or gusto nilang mag-check. Ipa-check dito sa Beacon of Hope, they're welcome po. Inaanahan ko po yung mga tao no, na may cancer na kung ano po ay kami ay magbubukas sa October 11 of 2025. And meron din naman po tayo dito diagnostic center wherein para hindi po kayo matakot or mangamba sa inyong kalagayan po. Meron din po tayong mga espesyalista na nandito para tayo ay tulungan. Para po sa lahat, no, Beacon of Hope would always be here and our doors would always be open for those who are in need.